मतमेजणीक दरेका टेबलाचेर एजंट नेमपाक उमेदवाराक मेकळीक आसा, मात मतमेजणी कार्यालयांत मोबायल व्हरपाक बंदी आसा. प्रसार माध्यमांनी कॅमेरा वापरूं येता अशी उत्तर गोंयचे जिल्लोधिकारी अजित रॉय हांच्यांनी म्हायती दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Mobile phone is not permitted at the counting center. I have issued one order under section 144 of CRPC prohibiting carrying of mobile phones inside the counting center. So this is for your information. To the extent possible, keep these mobile phones in your car or at home. Those who are carrying phone must give this phone to someone to keep. This point is specifically for the media. We will have guided tour of media every hour. So when you are going inside, then you cannot carry mobile. At the place where we are making your seating arrangement, you can keep your mobile on. That is fine. But when we are taking you for guided tour of counting halls, you cannot carry your mobile. And when you are going for the tour of counting hall, you can click pictures from outside, you can make videos also from outside, but you cannot step in the room and you cannot make attempt to see what is the result. I mean, you cannot see the documents, but you have all the rights to go there, take pictures and make some videos also if you want. So every hour we have one nodal officer who will take all of you together and it will be guided tour. So not carrying mobile phone is important for media persons. This is for all our staff, all our counting agents, counting agents of political candidates, counting supervisors and assistants which DO has appointed. No one can carry mobile phone. Only 2 persons are permitted to carry mobile phone: returning officers and observers. Other than returning officers and observers, no one can carry mobile phone. This point is very, very important.